Yeah, for free. Let's up to it. Well, good morning, everybody. We're back at the Hillsboro job site. We got trucks warming up. What we got going on today, we got a safety meeting first thing at like 8:30. We're gonna go get this thing greased up. Thing is, when you're greasing these machines, you don't need to glob it on there where it's all coming out where the pins are. Just a few pumps and you'll keep your machine looking pretty like that. Of course, this is brand new.
Just a couple pumps.
That all greased up. We brought the mini SK17 with us today, just in case we need it. It's a miracle that didn't fly off on the freeway. We got a little bit of downtime, so we're gonna get this all greased up too. So what Tyler's gonna do, Tyler's in the 308. He gets the lucky job of taking out that tree. Gotta clear a few more trees out of this parking lot somewhere. I think a couple of them there, a couple of them there. We're gonna try for that one there because it's above the grade, all the roots are above grade. So when he drops that tree, I'm gonna get the chainsaw already warmed up and I'm gonna cut it into pieces. How are we on fuel? Need some fuel. Found us some water right there. We gotta dig that up and see if it's that sprinkler head right there, or a sprinkler line, and see if it's busted. Tyler's got that done over there. Well, we all did it, shoveled it. There were some spots where you couldn't reach with a bucket, but I'm gonna come over here, dig that all down with the mini, this SK17.
How about this?
So we got all that done, looking pretty good. Everything's still sloping, 7 inches down from the curb, or at least to the footing of the curb, all the way around. I ended up nabbing a sprinkler head, threw a bunch of dirt on top of it, didn't see it, but they're gonna abandon it anyway because this is all getting decomposed granite. So, and then a bunch of stuff was going in that way, cut that out yesterday. Now that that's done, we're gonna go eat some food. I think all of us are getting a little hangry. So we got back from lunch and they went and laid all this out for us. Got the hot saw there. I come in and cut the curb in the street. Same thing, 4 different times. Oh, there's gonna be like a big old deck over here, and then these are gonna be like pier pads for that deck. So we got that done. I wasn't planning on sweating that hard today, but yeah, it is what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got my relief cuts right there. Didn't look like I needed them though. Tyler's yanking them with the 308. I'm gonna see what happens next for me. Yeah, for free. So awesome. We got done with that. Just prettied up. Steve had it pretty much all cut out, but there's one sidewalk. There's going to be a painted path. The other sidewalk goes around to the corner of that dumpster area. So I think that's going to wrap it up for us today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. And like always, friends, see you next time. That's it. I need a damn GoPro with freaking magnetic doohickey.